Hey everyone, and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. This one is about the latest uptick in reviews or recommends that are coming through Facebook. You'll also see this a lot of with the new cryptocurrency style of things. So we apologize for a lot of the blurring on this, but we'll go ahead and walk you through it. So in this review, this recommend here, and you're not able to see it all, but it's something which is based off of some of the crypto stuff, and they want to just go ahead and plug themselves. They want to get their phone number and their email out there. So to try and block this, what we can do, and of course this could happen if there were any reviews which are spam or hate speech or anything where it's very inappropriate. We want to be able to send that feedback back to Facebook to be able to stop this and to be able to block this person. Okay, so first thing, of course, you have to be logged in as the Facebook user, and you have to be able to on the reviews tab, even though really now it's more like recommendations. Okay, and once you get to the Facebook review, which is a problem, then you come up here to the upper right where there are these three dots. All right, we'll go ahead and click on these three dots. And this allows us to either embed or to find support or report recommendation, and of course that's what we want to do. So we'll go ahead and click on report recommendation. And that loads this, and you can pick the one that chooses, right, that fits best for your situation. In this case, we're going to go ahead and say that it's spam. Okay, when we click that, then of course the next button becomes active when we click on that. This allows us to show a couple other steps that we can do. Number one, we want to be able to ban this user. And again, sorry for the blurring here as well. But we want to be able to ban this person so that they can't continue to do more things that are problems on this site. So we'll go ahead and click ban. All right, 2 clicks there. And we'll do the same thing for this hide. We'll go ahead and hide from the same, hide to be able to stop seeing the posts from this person. All right, so we'll go ahead and click this as well. It loads the second. And we'll click hide. All right, so those two work exactly the same. Now here we are for edit page tabs. Now we're not going to do this. What it does is it takes you to your settings to where you can go in and turn off the visibility of the entire reviews page for Facebook. Right? And we don't want that because we've got a lot of good reviews. But we want to leave that page open. So that's going to be a business decision for you, and I think it's self-explanatory enough. If you have a lot of good reviews, of course, and just 1 or 2 bad reviews, you don't want to block your whole page, especially if this is spam or something that's obvious to people that they'll be able to see, oh, this really isn't relevant. All right, so after that, we'll go ahead and click done. Okay, I hope this is helpful in allowing you to be able to get in to find problems that you have with your reviews or recommendations page on your Facebook business page and be able to mark those so that Facebook can go ahead and block those, clean those up. You won't have that problem. You can always check in. Make sure you subscribe and like. That way you get our new tutorial every Tuesday. And if you'd like any help with BTFOOM SEO services, feel free to come on over to btfoom.com. Check the contact page. Get in touch with us. Thanks. And I hope this helps.